Welcome to Kids Cod. Today, we're exploring the amazing world of coding using Scratch. Today, we're diving into Scratch, a fun, interactive coding platform designed for all ages to bring their creative ideas to life. Whether you're looking to make animations, games, or interactive stories, Scratch is the perfect place to start. Let's get started by exploring the Scratch website and creating our very first project. First, let's take a look at the Scratch website. Go to scratch.mit.edu in your browser. This is the main hub for all things Scratch. On the home page, you can see popular projects, new releases, and the community's latest creations. You can also search for specific projects and ideas in the Explore section. From here, you'll also be able to access tutorials, join the community, and create your projects. To get the most out of Scratch, you can create an account to save and share your work. Click on Join Scratch at the top of the page. Fill in your username, password, and a few other details to create your account. If you prefer, you can also use Scratch offline. Simply download the Scratch desktop app by visiting the Download page on the Scratch website. This lets you use Scratch without an internet connection, and you can always upload projects to the website later when you're online. Once you're logged in, click Create in the top menu to open the Scratch editor. This is where the magic happens. You'll see three main areas. The stage is on the right, where your projects come to life. The block palette is on the left, containing categories of blocks that you can use to code your project. And then, the coding area is in the middle. This is where you'll drag blocks from the palette to build your script. Okay, let's create a simple project that we don't have to make do with this default Scratch sprite. We can start by deleting that one and adding our own. You can choose one from the costume library, or draw our very own in the costume editor. Yes, we can have a whole lot of fun in here without ever touching the coding. But, come on, let's make the sprite move. Make sure we are back in the Code tab, and then find the Motion category in the Block palette, and drag a Move 10 Steps block into the coding area. Now, let's make this action happen when you click the green flag. From the Events category, drag a When Green Flag Click block, and snap it to the top of your Move 10 Steps block. Click the green flag above the stage to see your sprite move. 343, excellent. So, how about saving and sharing our new project? If we're using the online Scratch editor, our project autosaves quite regularly, so there's no need to worry there. However, you might like to give it a more suitable name, such as My First Project. If you want to share your creation with the Scratch community, click that Share button. Now clicking on the See Project page allows us to fill out instructions and notes and credits, making it easier for others to understand and enjoy your project. Lastly, to see all your saved work, click the My Stuff on the top banner. And there it is, what fun! Now, for those who are using the offline editor, you can save your projects by clicking File, and then Save to My Computer. It's as simple as that. Well, congratulations! You've just taken your first steps with Scratch. There's so much more to explore and create. If you'd like to learn more, then head over to Kids Cod to begin your journey from gamer to games creator.